This 2020 Coachmen Chaparral 381RD is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Salem, Oregon, 97305 and is offered for sale by Highway Trailer Sales. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Coachman is 41 feet 9 inches in length and features a brown interior, sleeps 6, oven, skylight, leveling jacks, refrigerator, slide-out, microwave, water heater, TV, LP detector, DVD player, and 48 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, kitchen island, mid-kitchen, rear entertainment. The unloaded weight of this 2020 Coachmen Chaparral 381RD is 12,246 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.